Satnam, I'm Yogigems. I'm a Kundalini yoga teacher. This Kundalini yoga Kriya is known as Clean Lymph and Lower Back, and it's about moving the lymph through our body. So it's really helping the dewy quality of our skin. And a happy side product of this is a stronger core and a stronger lower back. So let's bring our palms together, give them a good vigorous rub, and bring our prayer mudra into the heart center. Take a deep inhale to stretch tall through the spine. Keeping that length as you exhale, relax the shoulders away from the ears. Inhale to lift through the heart. And exhale to draw the chin in towards the neck. Let's take a deep inhale to tune in with our mantras. If you're new to the mantras, just listen in for now. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siddhi Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siddhi Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siddhi Gurudeve Name. Deep inhale. Hold that breath in as you invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini yoga practice, keeping you safe from injury, keeping the space that you're practicing in clear, safe, and protected. Exhaling, relaxing the hands down to the knees in Gyan Mudra, index fingers touching thumbs. Just taking a moment here to allow those mantras to move through every cell of your being, bringing you into presence for your Kundalini yoga. Good. We're going to start with the Sufi grind, holding onto the knees. We're going to inhale the heart forward and around, exhale back and around with a nice full movement through the spine. Generous breath. The eyes are closed, rolled up and into third eye point. And we're keeping the navel slightly drawing in to protect the lower back and also to stimulate this massage in the digestive system. The clearing starts now. And of course, the deeper we can breathe, the deeper that clearing will be. And of course, the deeper we move, the deeper that clearing will be. On the next inhale, we'll change direction. Keeping with that breath pattern of inhaling forward and around, exhaling back and around. With the eyes rolled up and into third eye point. And the navel very slightly engaged, just to intensify that detoxification through the digestive system. Coming into the center now with a deep inhale. Holding that breath in as you squeeze Mulban. So you're squeezing the anus and sex organs, pulling the navel in, feeling, sensing, imagining The energy rising up through the spine to the crown of the head. Hold it, squeeze it, stretch, lift. And exhale, relax, release. Turn the palms up, Gyan Mudra. Index fingers touching thumbs, and we're staying present with this feeling of elevation that our Sufi grind has given us through that movement and breath. Inhaling deep. Exhaling fully. Good. Now we're going to start in with our Kundalini Yoga Kriya for the clean lymph and lower back. We're stretching ourselves out on our back on the earth. The hands are resting on the earth beside the hips with the palms facing down. We're raising our right leg up to 90 degrees. You might want to tuck a little pillow underneath your right buttock if this feels like a challenge to hold this still. You can always bend your knee if you need to. Foot flex as we inhale, raise the arms up to 90 degrees. Exhale, bring them back down. Good, nice and steady with the movement, with the breath. Keeping that 90 degree between the right thigh and the hip. The eyes are closed and locked into the third eye point. And we're creating some pressure in the right groin. Giving the lymph node there a little squeeze. That's it. You're doing really well. Hold it steady. Remember, you can always bend that knee if you're starting to feel a bit challenged. Inhale up. Hold, squeeze more bun, squeeze the body, every muscle, squeeze. Exhale down. We're going to change sides. Left leg comes up. Remember, you can bend the knee. You can tuck a pillow underneath your buttock, whatever you need. Inhaling, arms up, exhaling down. And while we give that left lymph node a really nice little squeeze, we're also giving a massage to the lymph nodes in the armpits. With the eyes locked into the third eye point. Keeping those feet flexed, so you're really activating the lymph in the legs. Lymph moves with muscular movements in the body. So the best way to move our lymph is to move the body, and the best way to move ourselves out of stagnancy in our life is to move the body. This is where our Kundalini Yoga practice is so very effective. And many of us who sustain a steady daily practice find that it really does have the potential to change our life. Good, you're doing well. Keep it strong, keep it steady. Inhale up. Hold that breath, squeeze, Mulband, flex the feet, stretch those fingertips to the sky, hold, squeeze, stretch. And exhale, relax and release the body back down to the earth. Give yourself a moment here on the back just to relax, to settle and to circulate that energy. Inhaling deep. Exhaling fully. Good. Now we've got our arms up to 90 degrees again. We're going to bring our fingertips together. We're starting to circle our fingers like a massage, circling the fingers together. And as we do this, we're going to start to inhale one leg up, keep that foot flexed, exhale down, inhale the other leg up, exhale down. You can always have a little blanket underneath the buttocks or a cushion under the buttocks, or you can bend the knees as much as you need to keep that lower back pushed down into the floor. Inhale up, exhale down. Nice steady marching movement as you massage and release toxins from the lymph in the groin. Keep those fingertips moving. The eyes locked into third eye point. The feet flexed. That's it. Steady rhythm is best here. Lock into that rhythm and keep going. Inhale, one leg up. Hold, squeeze. Keep the fingertips moving. Keep them working. Exhale that leg down. Inhale the opposite leg up. Hold, squeeze. As you keep those fingertips moving, massaging. And exhale, relax and release down. Release the legs, release the arms. Be heavy on the earth. Allow yourself to sink down into that support beneath. And taking a deep inhale. Exhaling fully. Good. We're going to turn our attention to the belly area. We've got our hands underneath the buttocks with the palms facing down. We're going to bring the knees into the chest on the inhale. On the exhale, we're extending the legs out along the floor. Inhaling up, exhaling down and out. Good. The eyes locked into third eye point. And if you're feeling this a little bit too strong in the lower back, just bring the angle of the legs up. This is really great for elimination, for detoxification, as well as strengthening our core, as well as strengthening the lower back. And of course, clearing the lymph for dewy, glowing skin, fresh breath, bright eyes. Kick out those denser energies, kick out the toxins. Inhale, knees into chest. Hold that breath, squeeze tight through mulband, consolidate. And exhale, relax and release. Bring the arms alongside the body with the palms turned up this time. The shoulder blades shuffled together and down so the heart is lifted. And we're going to move into a clearing pranayama, sound healing or nad yoga. And we're going to be inhaling through the nose and exhaling with a whistle. If you can't make a sound, don't worry, just blow the breath out through a whistle-shaped mouth. Keep the eyes at third eye. and let yourself relax. As you slow the breath down, lengthening those whistle exhales. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Good. Inhale. Bring the knees to the chest. Wrap the arms around the knees. Give yourself a little rock from side to side. And then tuck hands into creases behind knees and rock forwards and back, up and down along the spine a few times until you come all the way up to sitting tall in easy pose, or however feels comfortable to sit. Hands in Gyan Mudra on the knees, spine growing tall from the back of the pelvis, sit bones anchored firmly to the earth, crown of the head reaching up to the heavens, eyes locked into third eye point. Let's bring our palms together and we'll close our practice by chanting Satnam, truth is my name, taking a deep inhale to chant. Sat Nam. Bowing chin to chest, offering gratitude to body, mind, and breath for bringing you to this Kundalini Yoga. Sending that gratitude out into your life as far as it will go. And coming back into the room whenever you feel ready. Sat Nam. I hope you enjoyed this Kundalini Yoga Kriya for the clean lymph and lower back. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, of course, please do subscribe. And always my heartfelt gratitude to those who support me on Ko-fi and through YouTube. Super thanks. Huge gratitude to you. Thank you so much for your support. Sat Nam and lots of love. Have a beautiful day.